Everybody, welcome to B Town with Box Office. And today I have a very special guest and a dear friend of mine, which is Asad Raza. Welcome, Asad, to the show. Thank you so much for taking out time for me.
Thank you, Nadia. Thank you for having me. Excited to be here. Betrayal is a script by Harold Pinter. It's a very, very popular and famous script. It's been done multiple times. 1983 में इस पे मूवी भी बनी थी
Acha.
जिसमें Ben Kingsley थे, Sir Ben Kingsley, the legend of acting. And before COVID, ये play 2 साल तक was being shown on Broadway and West End as well. जिसमें 3 बहुत super actors थे, जिसमें there was Tom Middleton, who is Loki from Avengers,
Okay.
Charlie Cox, who plays Daredevil in the Netflix phenomenon, and then Zoe Ashton, who's going to be in the new Marvel movie as well,
Wow.
set to release
Awesome.
this year.
Okay.
So that was super, and I loved the script, and I'd read the script. But when I saw the production on Broadway, I saw it in London. I was like, "Yeah, this has to come to Dubai. It's such a beautiful story and such a beautiful like play. It has to come to Dubai." और मेरा rule ये है कि Broadway से तो कोई भी ला सकता है यार. Okay, to get that cast and for them to come in and do it. But I always like and encourage promoting local talent. So I was like, we'll get the rights, we'll get the license, and we'll do it with a local cast. So there you have it. We're doing Betrayal this weekend with a fully local cast.
Awesome. अगर मैं पूछूं कि how did your journey start as an actor? We all know you're an actor, you're a theater actor, but how did you get interested and you knew that this is my passion and this is what I want to do?
So this has been perhaps the longest love of my life. I acted for the first time जब मैं 7 साल का था, 7 years.
Wow.
I
Okay.
played Aladdin in a children's production, a theatrical children's production of Aladdin.
Okay.
और तब से I've been acting. उसके बाद throughout my school I was acting. When I went to high school, I actually went and formally trained with people like Talat Aziz and Rahat Kazmi. They were kind enough to take me under their wing. I did more theatrical productions. I did television. Uske baad I did dancing. When I lived in Europe for 3 years, then I did Bollywood dancing over there. We took
Nice.
that all around, and then वापस Dubai आया in 2012. और तब से I've done again. I've done theater, I've done television, I've done movies, comedy shows, drama. And recently, पिछले 4-5 साल से I wrote as well. I wrote House At, I wrote JLT, which became like were there for the shows, right? They became huge successes. They got a lot of love from people. So it's my oldest and truest love.
Okay, awesome. And I hope you continue, and we really want to see more of Asad on TV and theaters, of course. And hats off. I've seen your show, so I know how spontaneous and awesome you are when you're performing. So it's just lovely. Sweet. Another question is, जो लोग Betrayal देखना चाहते हैं, of course, it's all over the sites, online, everywhere. But just one tip: where can they purchase the tickets, and how can, if any, left? I know it's going sold out, but mashallah.
So, माशाल्लाह नहीं बहुत मोहब्बत मिलती है यार. The people of Dubai, UAE actually, we get audiences from Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, हर जगह से लोग आते हैं. They've always been very very sweet. If you want to buy the tickets, आप जाएं to bookmyshow.ae. उसमें Betrayal का event बना हुआ है, उस पे आप जाके tickets खरीद सकते हैं. अगर वहाँ आपको नहीं, if you can't find that site, then the Junction Theatre की website तलाश करें, उस पे there is a direct link. Or just Google में search for Betrayal Play Dubai 2021, उसमें मिल जाएगा. But bookmyshow.ae is where you can get the tickets. Thursday and Friday are sold out. So our opening night and Friday night is sold out. Saturday के 2 show हैं, एक afternoon में 3 o'clock and एक शाम में 7:30. उसकी अभी भी availability, although they're alhamdulillah doing pretty well. So I recommend कि आप जैसे ही ये खत्म करें interview देखना, आप जाके tickets.
Awesome. So guys, you know where to, I will be putting the link also where you can purchase the tickets from, and do purchase, and hope to see you there as well. Funny question, आपने कभी betray किया या आप कभी betray हुए?
लाहौल वला कुव्वत, कैसे सवाल पूछे जा रहे हैं. देखें, wherever I feel that wherever there is any kind of relationship, there is some risk or some betrayal involved. Like, for example, when people are working for a company, right, they still go and interview to other companies for their betterment or for whatever. उसको भी betrayal कहा जा सकता है. जब दो दोस्त होते हैं और एक दोस्त दूसरे को फोन करता है और कहता है कि लेट्स गो आउट, और उसका मूड नहीं होता है उससे मिलने के लिए और किसी और दोस्त के पास जाता है, वो भी betrayal होता है.
हो गया.
अगर आप किसी बार्बर के पास कंसिस्टेंटली बचपन से जा रहे हैं और फिर आप किसी और के पास चले जाते हैं, वो भी betrayal होता है.
ये सब धोखा.
सब धोखा है. तो betrayal तो part and parcel of life in relationship.
अच्छा, as an actor, what excites you in a script? Like आपको जब script मिलती है, you're like, okay, मुझे ये करना, like for example this show as well. But even in the past or in the future, what excites you as an actor? क्या script?
I think that अलग-अलग script की अलग-अलग excitement होती है. So sometimes a script you pick up and you're like, yeah, the audiences will love this, right? This is going to be an out and out entertainer, and your role is fun, your role is spontaneous. कुछ डेप्थ नहीं है ज्यादा. जैसे जब JLT जो मैंने किया था, जिससे पहले वाला प्रोडक्शन था, उसमें मेरे रोल में ज्यादा डेप्थ नहीं था. 2-3 शेड्स थे, but it was a fun play, right? It was a comedy and people enjoyed it when they came. So तब वो मैंने रोल उस वजह से उठाया था.
प्लेटफॉर्म्स बहुत ही ज्यादा सरफेस पे उभर के आए हैं. What are your views on the OTT platform?
It's the future. OTT जो है वो प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर दोनों है. क्या ये सिनेमा, थिएटर, टेलीविजन को खत्म कर देगा? नहीं. क्या ये उनको रिप्लेस करेगा? नहीं. बट क्या ये अब एक बिग प्लेयर बन गया है? एब्सोल्युटली. I think COVID के टाइम में OTT जो है, it just went in another tangent. It grew phenomenally और उसने एक नया avenue खोला है for hard hitting, dark, you know, हट के जो normally सिनेमा में, टेलीविजन पे हाँ वो कंटेंट नहीं आ रहा था, वो आ रहा है. Even for comedy, अगर आप देखें, stand up comedy was not that popular till a very long time ago. फिर OTT, Netflix, YouTube, इनकी वजह से जो कॉमेडियंस उभरने शुरू हुए, इंस्टाग्राम, स्नैपचैट, टिकटॉक, अब कॉमेडी इज अ फिनोमेनॉन.
How do you think COVID has hit our industry or has affected the entertainment industry? क्या impact पड़ा?
बहुत बड़ा है. I think that जो ट्रेडिशनल, जैसे लाइव एंटरटेनमेंट तो has been impacted the most. I think live entertainment is on an incubator itself, sadly, because of people not going out, being safe, and obviously it's not the time to have live events. So I think that got impacted the most. Cinemas got impacted. Regal cinemas in the UK shut down. All cinemas are either closed right now or are running at limited capacities, even in Dubai it's at 30% to 50%. So it has been impacted a lot. OTT has gone through the roof. Because now people are home and watching that. I feel that it's a matter of survival right now. If we can survive, you know, maybe the next 6 to 8 to 10 months, then it will come back with a bang. People will want to go out. Theater has always been loved because it is a live medium. Cinema has always been loved because you can experience that with the people around you, right?
But you know, like the new kids on the block who look at you, like when I come to your show and I'm like, wow, Asad is doing fantastic, मुझे भी जाना है. उसके पीछे कितना hard work होता है, months and sometimes even years of doing stuff, you know.
बहुत hard work नहीं, बहुत hard work होता है, और hard work से ज्यादा I think persistence जो है ना वो की है. तो माइकल जॉर्डन ये कहता था ना कि आपको ये याद है कि मैंने इतने फाइनल्स जीते हैं, पर क्या आपको पता है मैंने कितने हारे हैं? आपको पता है कि मुझे कितने टीम ट्राईआउट्स में से भगा दिया था? कितने वक्त तक I was sitting without anything. Harrison Ford got casted for Star Wars when he was 32. उससे पहले वो कारपेंटर था. मतलब हिम्मत जो है वो टूटनी नहीं चाहिए. So the one advice I give to everybody and anybody is persistence. Be extremely persistent, be extremely disciplined. So the most valuable thing that you have is time. Don't waste time. And किसको वक्त देना है, किस project को वक्त देना है, be very, very choiceful on that. And the last and most important thing is don't look for short term and shortcut success.
Yeah, true.
Excellence के पीछे भागो, fame, money, everything else will follow. But you have to excel. अगर artist बनना है, उस craft को सीखो, practice करो, be the best. You can learn from anybody around you. मैं आज भी एक 13 साल के एक्टर से ज्यादा सीख सकता हूँ बनिस्बत ये कि मैं उसे क्या सिखाऊं. So be
You've seen Asad in Hollywood or Bollywood or in the Pakistan industry.
बॉलीवुड में तो आ चुका हूँ ये.
Okay.
before the whole political scenario जिसके बाद पाकिस्तानी एक्टर्स को नहीं ले रहे थे. I did a couple of projects
Okay.
and Pakistani movies भी I've done a couple which sadly because of COVID have not gotten released yet.
Okay.
But वो आएंगी. टेलीविजन आपने देखा वो तो कोविड पे हमने रिलीज कर लिया था. तो ऐसे इंशाल्लाह कॉमेडी अड्डा जैसे और प्रोजेक्ट्स भी हमारे आएंगे. हॉलीवुड, who knows?
You never know.
You never know. मगर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हैं पाइपलाइन में in terms of the projects which are set up for the remainder of this year.
Okay.
अगर अल्लाह ने चाहा, लोगों का साथ रहा और मोहब्बत रही तो इंशाल्लाह वो भी करेंगे.
So you have lots of support.
एक्टर हो या कोई और एक्टर हो, they need to be extremely humble to the craft, to their co-actors, to their colleagues and to the audience. क्योंकि आप ऑडियंस से हैं और ऑडियंस आपसे नहीं है. So I think that you need to be extremely humble and extremely hardworking. क्योंकि कहते हैं ना कि you're as good as your last Friday. आपकी मूवी हिट हो गई फ्राइडे को, आप स्टार हैं. आपकी फ्लॉप हो गई, आप कल की न्यूज़ है. So you have to be very, very humble and aware of this. But this is general for any actor or anybody or actually any human being. Humility is this. Theater actor के लिए, I think that one of the things, and this is again my point of view. This has nothing to do with any steadfast rules. My point of view.
Okay.
Before OTT became the shark that it is, theater actors का एक problem होता था, अपनी marketing नहीं कर पाते थे. एक्टर बहुत अच्छे होते थे पर वो जो एक ब्रांड प्रेजेंस होता है ना जो बॉलीवुड के या हॉलीवुड के स्टार्स का होता था, लाइक फिल्म स्टार. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि यू ब्रिंग इन ग्लिट्स एंड ग्लैमर फॉर द सेक ऑफ ग्लिट्स एंड ग्लैमर, but you have to focus on your own brand as well, which will then make you decide what roles to do, what roles not to do, how to interact with the press, how to interact with people. That is critical. That is super important. अगर आज आप थिएटर पढ़ने भी जाएं in places like London, RADA में जाएं या UK में जाएं या US में जाएं, हर जगह एक कोर्स है सेल्फ इमेज एंड ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट की फॉर थिएटर एक्टर्स एज वेल, बिकॉज वो बहुत जरूरी है. लोग जो हैं वो आपको तभी जानेंगे ना जब आप उनको बताएंगे कि आप क्या हैं. अगर सिर्फ आपके रोल्स देखेंगे तो बोलेंगे हाँ यार एक्टर अच्छा है, but they will never know the asset behind the actor, behind the Jerry, behind the roles that I've done.
So, the real you, this is how social media has made them connect with theater actors. Also.
Absolutely. तो अपना brand जो है उस पे भी काम करें, वो भी as important as the craft. The craft will make you good, the brand will make you noticed. तो वो एक चीज है जहाँ थिएटर एक्टर फोकस नहीं करते हैं. और मैं सबसे कहता हूँ कि भाई क्राफ्ट पे करो, डेफिनेटली करो, दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, बट थोड़ा सा अपनी ब्रांडिंग पे भी करो बिकॉज वो भी जरूरी है.
राइट, एग्जैक्टली.